Guys, this is where we get water from the Lake Victoria Drought Water Development Agency, Nyamira. So, and here, this is KMTC. KMTC is inside here. And this is our power and lightning. This is their place of package where they keep their things, guys, inside here. Because we have a lot of boosters. You can see the KMTC inside there, guys. I think that's the where they cook, maybe. So we have the KMTC inside here, guys. That's the biggest tank here. So guys, Canvas. Nyamira Canvas. So all the staffs of Nyamira Hospital, they usually sleep here, guys. And this is their fence. Usually, I am going to town, it's just a few steps from here. So guys, thank you for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love. What's up? Here your girl Grace Carey Mission. Actually, I am from home, and I should see that I should come to town just to do a little bit of issues, and then maybe later I'm gonna go back home, guys. Sorry. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue supporting me. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me always. Thank you for those ones who are new here. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that we continue moving together. From the village here, I'm just trying to work hard. And the time now is coming to midday. Maybe that's what I can say, but then I don't have a watch. So here at the village. But I am now going to town, like our small town. That's Nyamira County. A few steps to the main highway. A few steps to the main highway. And the main highway is just here. See where people are hanging their clothes. They don't care. Because if someone wants to see this, maybe, I don't know. But the owner is just near here. The main highway is here. The road here, that side goes to, like you can go to Kisumu actually, where those people are heading to with the motorbikes. It's very dirty here. Lakini tunakuongeza hiyo job sasa unanikia fanya chini. So guys, as I'm from the village, you have to see this, or you get used to these village roads. Small roads are the village, guys. And I'm just going back home after a little bit of strolling at the town, like. And here I am having guava. Let me show you. I put guava. I am back home. Wow. So what's up guys? Here your girl Grace Mission. To my channel subscribers, I salute you all. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talk live from the village. And today we have intestine here. We have tomatoes, green onions, coriander starts in the near, and berry, I don't know how do we call this, hot in our Swedish language. We have also pullet chili here. So today we are going to do this, and we are going to do it in my way, in my local way, actually traditionally here. So guys, let me wash my hands first, and then we shall we are going to roast it in a few minutes, and then we shall do the other stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. Thank you so much. So guys, I love to do some salt, marinate it with salt, guys, with salt here. And this is my salt here, guys. So we have to put some salt like this, and then you mix it, guys. So we have to put it on fire. This is a lot, like we have to roast it, and then we shall do the other step, guys. So that's how we are roasting it, actually. So guys, now we are going to, actually I'm going to put water to continue boiling. Jesus. Now I have to cut it. Actually, guys. And this is how we do it here at the village. If you want to cook intestine, usually we just roast it, and then we can start cooking. Yeah. Now I'm cutting the intestine, guys. So guys, we have to put it inside the soup here like this. Okay, that's it. So guys, I love to cut the onions, and usually I am using the scarioli spring onions, guys. We put it inside. We do it inside like that, guys. and you have to mix it. Yeah. And then I have to cut the ho-ho. That's how we call it, the ho-ho. We add like that. After that, I like to cut the tomato. Oh no, I like to add the bullet chili like this. We just do like that, guys, and then we put it into like this. Then it just mix like this. Wow. As it is continuing getting ready, we just we cut the tomatoes, guys. Guys, just continue mixing. These are the tomatoes. I'm going to add them there after it is ready, guys. So we add the tomatoes, guys. We add the tomatoes. Oops. Then we mix. So I love to cut the stems of the coriander first. And then I add it inside like this. Add it inside. Also some of the mix. See how lovely it is, guys. Drop a comment what you think about this video here. Wow, talking live from the village, guys. Here you go. Now, guys, it is ready. It is ready here, guys. Yeah, it's ready. What did they went?